Milwaukee Rap House. Man, I had to get out, dog, and come over here and show that, dog. Try to get a close-up on it. Man, Milwaukee Rap House. They said that's a fatal crash, man. They said that's fatal. I wish I could go get the other side for y'all. Man, it's bad, man. I don't know what they hit. Oh, they hit this Impala? I don't know, bro. I don't know what they hit. I don't know what they hit, right? I don't know what they hit. It's a fatal crash, man. Condolences to whoever was lost. Check on your people. I don't know. Oh, it might be another car down there. Let's go see. Can't see nothing, y'all. Milwaukee Rap House. Oh, I can get closer on this car. Whoa. Damn, y'all. Damn.